Hello, in this video, we'll be setting up an Artifact Registry instance on Google Cloud for Docker containers. Let's get started. We start off by activating Cloud Shell. In your Cloud Shell, try to get the current active project by gcloud config get value project. If you see no active project, you can activate a project by gcloud config set core project and set your project. We can create a new Artifact Registry Docker repository with the following command: gcloud artifacts repositories create project, set your active project, in this case Mofi Labs, repository format to Docker, location to US Central 1. Finally, an optional description. Once you run this command, this will take a few seconds and we'll have our repository created. We'll build and push container images to this repo in a future video.